So guys, I need to talk about something real quick because this sun is scorching. Anyway, first off, I want to make a difference between, or talk about the difference rather, between hair shedding and hair breakage, right? One is normal while the other one is not. The hair shedding is actually normal. Take for instance, we actually shed like 50 to 80 strands daily on an average. It could be more, it could be less. So imagine, shedding that amount of hair every single day, and you keep a protective style for like 1 month or like 6 weeks. That's like 1 month and 2 weeks, right? And you're taking down that protective style. There is no how that accumulated number of hair would not fall off the day you're taking down that protective style. The reason why you don't see shed hairs when you're on protective style is because, your hair is literally, plaited or matted together. So there is no space for the shedded hair to fall off. So it is only when you take down that protective style and you comb it that those shed hairs will actually come off. And shedding is from your scalp. That's the roots of the hair, like your scalp itself. That's where you shed hair from. That is why you notice that the strand of shedded hair is actually way longer than hair breakage, right? So it is totally normal. The only time you need to, put too much consideration or when it should bug you is when it's in excess, like when it is like excessive shedding, like you're practically just pulling your hair and you're seeing like chunk of hair following your hand. Do you understand that kind of vibe? That's when there's an issue. But other than that, it's a normal vibe. It's like it's normal, right? So don't fret, don't feel scared that, oh, I took out my protective style and my hair is shedding too much, or my hair is shedding, a lot of that. It's a normal thing. Moving on, hair breakage is the one you should be scared of. Hair breakage is worse. Hair breakage is what will literally make you feel like you're not retaining a lot of length. Like your length retention is, taking the dip. Do you understand? So once your hair starts breaking, it is like tiny strands. It's like short hair strands, short. You just see it bits and pieces on the floor. Do you understand? So that is when you know that your hair is actually breaking. The strands are shorter than that of hair shedding, and that is the one you actually need to be scared of because you will not see like visible length. Take for instance, if you leave your protective style for 1 month and 2 weeks, and you grow, let's say, for instance, an inch of hair, right? When you're taking down your protective style and it breaks off 1 inch of hair, you just realize that it's the same length when you started the protective style that you still have after the protective style because you've broken off that length that you thought you have grown out. You understand the arithmetic, right? So you need to prevent hair breakage as much as possible so that you see your hair grow long and luscious. So for all of us that you feel, oh, we have long hair and all of that, our length retention mechanism is actually top notch, right? We've mastered the act of taking our protective style well to prevent or minimize hair breakage. So if you want to know how to minimize hair breakage, right, I have posted a video recently, so just search, or you can search for my name on YouTube, Joy Onu. Subscribe. I have long form content there. I'll see you in my next. I'm your favorite hair coach. Bye.